Welcome to our channel ScaraBeads. My name is Galina Cheremisina and today we are going to make a earrings pendants named Marguerite. Amazing, expressive earrings in the shape of open diamond decorated with a Swarovski flower, embroidery from the beads and pendants. This original diamond I've woven from a seed beads number 10 using right angle weave by squares on 2 needles. This tutorial has been published already on our channel ScaraBeads. The link is in the description to this video. As well, we will need Swarovski crystals, Marguerite flower by 1 on each earring, then we'll need pendants in the shape of a teardrops 13mm by 3 pieces, a little bit of a seed beads number 11 of a contrasting color and a little bit of the same seed beads we used for diamond colored seed beads number 10. Then we need a needle, foil line and earring hook for attaching the earrings. Wide range of materials for jewelry making is presented in e-shop ScaraBeads. I'll continue to work with the same thread which we left from the diamond weaving. They are long enough. First of all, I'll do the pendant. For that, I went according to the pattern towards the bottom angle of the diamond. String and turns dark and light colored seed beads. I like a lot this combination, such a beaded strand from 2 kinds of a seed bead. One is bigger and another one is one size smaller and transparent. It turns out to be a very elegant chain, even with strong only 5 dark and 5 light seed beads. After the 5th light, string 4 dark. This will be our transition towards the pendant teardrop. We are filling with that the space from the edge of the bead till the hole. So then the string Swarovski drop, and then again 4 dark seed beads. Now return to the top of the diamond through the nearest milk colored seed bead and then through the rest. Pay attention, the thread was going out of the right seed bead and now I return into the left so that the pendant will hang in the middle. The pendant should be tightened to the best measure, so you need to be sure that the thread is not visible, but as well you can't pull too tight so the thread won't fray. Now we are going to sew our Marguerite flower. Go through the seed beads to the desired place. In my case it's a central row, the 3rd seed bead from the bottom. I string flower and then the dark seed bead. I pass 1 seed bead and return into the flower into the one of the nearest seed beads of the diamond. In order to align the flower to the center, I'll go to the opposite seed bead of that one from which I went out. Then I pull everything tight. Now I'll go aside according to the pattern. When passing from one seed bead to another, repeat accurately the original pattern. Don't jump, otherwise the thread will be visible. Here I'll decorate the earring with a small leaf. String 6 dark seed beads, 1 seed bead, and the 6th I miss it and return into the 5th of the opposite direction. String 3 more seed beads, it will be the second half of the leaf, and return into the first of the strong seed beads. Bead got such a nice leaf. Now we need to fix it. Catch the tip. I'll go into the nearest seed bead from the base, go upwards according to the pattern. I put the leaf like that, as per my design it should lie down. Then I check which one of the seed beads are the nearest to the thread. In my case, it's this last one. Sew through the seed bead and return to the base and go through the nearest seed bead of the diamond base. Absolutely identically we are going to do the second leaf. Now my second end of the thread is on the correct place. When the weaving is symmetrical, we need to be very careful and follow everything, from which seed bead we went out and in which direction. Here the flower, so after then recross, middle seed bead. Count the same way on the second side. Flower this seed bead, pass through that seed bead and do the same leaf. Now let's do 2 pendants of the same length as the central one. Go to the required place, start from the dark and then in turn string by 5 seed beads, light and dark. After the 5th light seed bead, string 4 for the transfer to teardrop. So then Swarovski pendant, and again 4 seed beads. Then go into the light cross seed bead and then through the all seed beads. Transfer to the place of the next pendant. In the same way we are going to do the 3rd pendant. In this design we have 3 heavy pendants, so that the diamond woven of the file line doesn't hold the shape. So we need to sew again all the shape once more, strengthen it. It would be more convenient to do from the underside, so turn the project. Be accurate. If the needle goes hardly through the seed bead, you can take a thinner needle or pass over the seed bead. Then tie the knots and cut off the extra off-foil line. As one of the last steps, we need to attach the hook. I'll open carefully the ring from the hook and attach it to the strand and close the ring. We've got such a nice earring with a small embroidery and beautiful pendants. Our earrings pendants named Marguerite is ready. Amazing embroidery from the beads and pendants. In the same style, I've woven the separate pendant, but I've done more embroidery on it. I've used the same elements, leaves and of 2 shades, and added these separate ropes and bridges. If you will be interested, we can talk about embroidery on the beading in details. Leave the comments under this video or in our Facebook group, or send us emails to ScaraBeads.Club's email. If you liked our video, thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and join our groups in the social networks. Wide range of seed beads and various beads is presented on our website ScaraBeads.com. Create. Let's decorate the bird with our own hands. See you soon again on our channel.